this video, guys, I am going to teach you how to make a quick and easy pizza, mozzarella bacon pizza. As you can see, I have bacon. Okay, I have mozzarella cheese. Okay, so the pizza dough is ready made, guys. That is ready for baking when I bought that. Okay, and the ketchup, I just used the Del Monte ketchup. I already spread it on the top of the ready-made pizza dough. Okay, so as you can see, I have prepared the dough with pizza, and then it's time for me to put the mozzarella cheese. Yeah, as you can see, the mozzarella cheese looks so yummy. Okay, I just bought that at SM store, and then after we put that on the top of the pizza dough, it's time for us also to prepare the bacon. Okay, so the bacon, and yes, I have washed my hands. Okay, my hands are clean. I wash well my hands. Okay, so it's time for us to put the mozzarella cheese. It's better to put many cheese, okay, but there I failed. It's just a few cheese. I did that is my very first time to use mozzarella cheese for baking pizza. Previously I just used the ordinary pizza. Okay, so it's just a trial for me and check what's the difference of using more mozzarella pizza compared to the usual cheese that I'm putting. Okay, so look, guys, that's a little cheese, guys. You have to put more as for my experiment in that video. Okay, so next is you have to put the bacon. I just used to cut the bacon because this is not really a planned vlog, guys. I'm just reminded that, oh, you have to bake and make a tutorial for pizza making. Okay, I haven't planned to because early morning I just used to check the dough. Oh, this is about to expire, so I told myself I'm gonna bake and make the pizza as soon as time. So as you can see, I just get the scissor. Okay, my hands are clean, the scissors are clean. Okay, and just put it on the top of the pizza dough, and we have to prepare the oven. This time I used to turn on the oven. The oven should be preheat for 7 minutes. Okay, that's a perfect temperature. Then mga 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, when it's 180 degrees Celsius, that's the time for you to put the pizza and cook that for 7 minutes also, while the fire is at the bottom of the dough. Okay, so when it's done, as you can see, it's time for you to put the flame at the surface, okay, to cook the bacon. So see, look, guys, yeah, the flame is at the surface. Okay, so 7 minutes is also perfect as per experiment. Okay, that pizza dough is really nice. I forget the brand. Okay, so yun, look at, guys, the pizza is now done. Okay, it's time for us to get that out of the oven, and of course we have to eat now and take our snack or lunch or breakfast. What do you want? Okay, so yan, kain na, guys. Kuha lang tayo ng pang-slice at slice na natin para makakain na tayo. Yummy, that's really yummy, guys. You need to put more cheese compared to what I have done. Okay, put more cheese and put more ketchup. That will be tastier. So next time I'm gonna make a vlog, perfect vlog, but this time this is not a perfect vlog. This is not a prepared vlog. Okay, so let's eat. Bye, and thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's really yummy, of course. Mozzarella pizza, bacon mozzarella pizza. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.